This is a brand new A35 AMG 2023 plate, secured with a Starline Immobiliser. So this system, compared to the phone, has a push sequence. If a thief got the key and went to steal it, it's just not going to start up. So for the customer, they'll keep their foot off the brake if they're using the code, tap the ignition on, pop their unique code in, totally up to them. Get that disarm tone, now foot on the brake and start. If they don't want to do that, they can just turn the Bluetooth on their phone, hop in the car, simply start it up like normal, and it starts. You hear the disarm tone, you can drive away. If the customer wants to change the code on this system, what they'll do, first they have to prove it's them, so we'll turn the ignition on. It disarms because we've got the phone present. If not, we put the code in and get the disarm tone. Now we'll press any button 5 times, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We'll circle the ignition off and then back on, and we're going to get 5 bleeps. This means it's ready to learn a new code, so any button we press that gives us a bleep means we can use that button and we can start inputting our code now. So 1, 2, 3 we'll set. It can be a minimum of 3 presses as we've done, maximum of 21 presses. Now we're done, we'll leave it and we get that double bleep confirmation, and then we just got to repeat the code one more time to confirm it. Wait for the double bleep. That's the new code learnt, we can turn the vehicle off. So now we can hop in the vehicle, we'll double press, turn the ignition on, pop our new code in that we've just set, disarm tone and start. If they're taking it for a service, all the customer's got to do is pick one of the buttons they use for the code. We'll use this one, press it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 times, turn the vehicle off and back on. We get 2 bleeps from the vehicle, and this now puts it into service mode. So when it goes back to Mercedes to be serviced and they've got to road test it, move it around the workshop, just put it into service mode as we've done. The vehicle's going to start up and run as if there's nothing fitted to it. When you get it home, you obviously want to turn the system back on, make sure your vehicle's secure. To do that, ignition on, pop your code in, and you get 2 bleeps and the vehicle's protected again. Just to make sure, turn the Bluetooth off, open and close the door, give it 10 seconds to set, and then obviously just try start it without your code. This proves the system's back on, the vehicle's not starting. We're Immobiliser Fit, our number's 0208 212 7393, and it's a brand new 73 plate Mercedes A35 AMG. Thanks for watching.